Welcome to Academic Success at Stetson University. This tutorial is designed to guide you in scheduling an exam with the Accessibility Services Center. In order to best assist you in scheduling your exam, you must have first registered for classes at the Stetson University, obtained your 800 number as well as your PIN, and be already registered for accommodations with the ASC. There are some important things to know before scheduling your exams with the ASC. Per ASC policy, students are responsible for submitting their test request to the ASC 5 to 7 business days before the date of their test. This process ensures the availability of staff to proctor the exam, receive the testing materials from the faculty, and coordinate any additional exam accommodations. Any requests or professor notification after this deadline may or may not be reasonably accommodated. While scheduling your exam, please keep in mind that the ASC opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. So we begin exams no earlier than 8 a.m. and all tests must be completed in our office before 5 p.m. Please note, if you have an extended time accommodation with us, your exam may overlap with the hours our office is open or with other classes you have later that day. I will go into detail of how to avoid that later in this video. Our staff will work with you to ensure that your tests do not interfere with other courses. In your web browser, type in www.stetson.edu/administration/academic-success. On the left-hand side, click on the link labeled Disability Resources. From there, click on the third green link in your center of the screen labeled Schedule an Exam. This will bring you to another link to schedule your exam below the video. This link will direct you to a login page where you will log in using your MyStetson username and password. Once you select this option, you will be directed to the ASC exam scheduling form. When you are directed to this form, your name and email address will be provided underneath personal information as well as your class schedule for the current semester. Please check the box next to any classes that you wish to schedule an exam for. For each course you select, you must specify the date and time you wish to take the exam. For example, August 15th, 2016 at 11 a.m. Please note, if you are registered in our office with an extended time accommodation, meaning you receive extra time to complete your quizzes or exams in our office, your exam time may interfere with the hours our office is open or with other classes you have later that day. For example, as you can see here, I have 2 classes on Thursdays. My first class is from 11 o'clock a.m. to noon, and my second class is from 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. If I was scheduling to take an exam for my 11 o'clock class in the ASC and I have a 100% extended time accommodation, then my exam time would carry over to 1 o'clock, as you see here, which would overlap into my second class. The preferred method to scheduling an exam in this situation is to schedule your exam earlier so that the exam does not carry over into one of your classes. However, if you are unable to schedule an exam earlier that day due to conflict with another course, then you will have to schedule a different time to take it. Please note that all exam time changes must be approved by your professor before you can take your exam with us in the ASC. The start and end times for tests in the ASC are strictly enforced. Therefore, students will not be able to continue taking their tests past their scheduled time. In addition, if a student shows up 15 minutes late or later to take their exam than their previously scheduled time, their professor will be notified. There is one more piece of the form that needs to be filled out before you can submit it to the ASC. Underneath special considerations, please write a brief description to let us know if there is any additional information we need to know regarding your exam and/or accommodations. Examples of information to include under special considerations are your specific accommodations that apply to your test, such as the use of a computer for your exam or the assistance of a reader for your exam. This does not include the extended time accommodation or the separate distraction reduced testing environment accommodation. Those two accommodations do not need to be put into this box. Please also let us know if outside materials are permitted to be used during your exam, such as note cards, notes, or textbooks. If you had to request a different time to take your exam due to reasons such as conflict with another course, please supply a brief description of your reasoning for the time change in this box. Once you submit the form, your screen will read, "Form submitted successfully. Thank you. Your data has been successfully submitted." If you have any problems or difficulties with the test request process, please feel free to contact our office. Again, our office hours are 8 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Monday through Friday. Our phone number is 386-822-7127, or you can contact us by email at asc@stetson.edu. Thank you.